Hi, I'm Mary Alt, and I'm a professor and the department head for Speech, Language, and Hearing Sciences at the University of Arizona. I'd like to tell you more about research opportunities for students, and I mean all students. We love students within our department, and we also welcome students from every other major on campus. Not all universities are the same. Ours is the type of university that does a lot of research. The good news is that means there are also lots of opportunities for students at every level to be involved in research. Are you still here? Good. Some folks can be intimidated by research. I'm here to tell you that in our department, we have ways for people who have never even thought about research to dive right in. What is research? Well, research is basically a way of just answering questions, but using the scientific method. In practice, that might mean reading papers and looking for answers in work that people have already published. And we do that, but we do so much more. We get to do the work of actually performing experiments to answer our questions. Let me spotlight some of the approaches we use. With behavioral research, we work with people to see how they react and learn in different scenarios. In our department, we work with people across the lifespan, from infants to elders, and we work with both disabled and non-disabled people. In practice, this means that we might ask children to play a video game we've made to measure their learning, or we might ask adults to rate how easy it is to understand someone's speech, perhaps someone with a neuromotor speech impairment. The options are limitless. With treatment research, we perform actual clinical treatment to try to improve people's communication functioning. We can answer questions about if a treatment works, how well it works, how it works best, who it works best for. In practice, this looks like actual treatment. With modeling approaches, we can use computers and algorithms to mimic actual systems, things like human brains or human speech mechanisms. And with these models, we can test theories about how these systems might work or learn in specific conditions. Animal research. Using animals as an example, we can better understand mechanisms that have the potential to apply to humans. For example, Dr. Julie Miller's work with songbirds is providing some insight into people with Parkinson's disease. Folks in the department use tools like magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, to get a peek under the hood, if you will, to better understand both the anatomy and physiology of the brain. There are lots of other kinds of research, but the point is that this is just more than reading papers. Students have all sorts of roles in labs, from disinfecting toys to scheduling participants to performing hearing screenings, coding new programs, and even to providing treatment to patients in clinical studies. We're eager to find the roles that fit your skills, and we will train you on any task that you'll perform. Most students will work on projects that are already ongoing in a lab, while earning independent study credit. However, there are some opportunities to lead your own project. Undergraduates can do a senior capstone, graduate students can do a thesis, and there are plenty of other options as well. Some students might even be hired as an employee in a lab. There are opportunities for paid summer research experiences through a program like UROC, the Undergraduate Research Opportunities Consortium, and UBURP, Undergraduate Biology Research Program. Our department takes part in both of these programs. Working in research is also a great way to build community with other students in your lab and get to know your professors outside of class. Students who perform well in research labs often get excellent letters of recommendation. If you're lucky, you might even decide that research is a real career option for you. And even if you don't, you will learn skills that will apply in many job settings and make you a savvier consumer of the science you hear in the news. We're here to help guide you through the process. Come join us. Tenemos un lugar para ti. We have a place for you.